Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel or my Facebook page, whichever. I'm gonna show you how I got this look. I had a couple of mishaps, but you can learn from my mistakes. So yeah, let's get to the video. All right, so let's get started. So I'm gonna be using these clips right here. They're called self-fit clips, and you don't have to sew them on to tracks or whatnot. You just put them on and then put it in your hair. It's like super easy. I wanted to try these out to see if they about what they're talking about. I like easy. I don't like to spend a lot of time on my hair. All right, so what I've done is I put my hair in a ponytail because I'm gonna have a bun at the top, and then in the back I braided it. I didn't do it fancy, you know what I'm saying? Because if your wig fly off or your tracks come out, I don't think people are gonna be like, oh, well, at least her braid pattern is fire. Like, no. I'm gonna start off by measuring the track. Sometimes I can barely tell the difference between 16 and the darn 18. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. So they say place the weft part on the back of the open comb like this, and then you're gonna turn the weft, fixing the hooks on each side to hold the weft securely. And then last, you're gonna attach the clip with the weave to your hair using the comb part. So, bruh, these joints, they hard to bend. So I'm gonna ask my husband for some pliers so I can just go boop boop and keep going. Other than that, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this. So he got me some pliers. We're gonna try that, y'all, because this stuff hurt. Maybe I'm just weak, but come see if you can do it. I need to know if it's hard or is it just me.
Uh-oh.
Did you break it?
I did.
They said that online too. So I guess this wasn't a good purchase. I really wanted this to work. All right, you know what? I'm just gonna try and finesse this off camera. Don't buy these clips, but I'm gonna show y'all how I do my hair still.
Did you get
it? All
it?
right, so I got one in.
No, but. And
I bootlegged it. That might be a bit overexposed. All right, so since those clips was booty-poo, booty-boo, or whatever you want to call them, I'm gonna drop these, and I'm not gonna use them because it's more of a hassle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a half wig with the back of these tracks, and then I'm going to put the bun on the top. So I left the 12-inch one out to make me a bun. Oh my goodness, I think I'd rather have more black. I'll figure it out. And what I like about this is because the hair was like $20, $25. Don't let people bully y'all into buying a whole bunch of expensive bundles when you can use that money to travel the world with, do some other stuff with. Can't believe folks be trying to hair shame people. It's the reason why the beauty stores are still in business, man. Buy you some cheap hair every now and then. You want a little, quick little hairstyle. All right, so I'm just cutting around the cap. So I'm just gonna add 2 clips, maybe 4 clips around here, and then some clips in the very back. So I'm gonna put the clip on the very end of the cap. This hair is supposed to be textured to mimic relaxed hair, so that's why I chose it, because my hair, as you can see, it waves up, so I can get away with the straight look if I gel my hair back and then I use this specific hair type. But yeah, every time I want a quick and easy style, I go to the beauty supply store and I get a cheap pack of hair and I keep it in for like maybe a week. I don't usually like to keep my styles in that long. I do like bundles too. I do think they're worth the money because they're human hair and then you can like reuse it, so you can do this style too. But like if you're looking for something for a budget, this is perfect. The reason why I like to use clip-ins on beauty supply hair is because you can take them out. Like you can take your clip-ins out at night and then put them back in and redo it, and then your hair will last longer. So you get even more for your money versus leaving it in or sewing it into your hair. You sleep on it and then, you know what I mean? It just wears it out quicker. So your little $20 to go about like 2-3 weeks, you know what I'm saying? You take it out, you take care of it. Okay, so this was supposed to be a quick style and I'm over it. So I only put in 3 clips for now. I'm just gonna put a clip right here and a clip right here and then one under. So I'm going to wrap this around the ponytail. And then I'm gonna take the back part and I'm going to clip it down. Don't worry, we're gonna fix this part being so close. We're gonna fix that later. Alright, so I was trying to put a bun up on my head and it didn't work. And so I had this idea. My daughter has a donut in her hair. Don't know if donuts are in or not. I really don't care. But y'all know how the freaking the little ugly closures that comes in the pack with the hair? Oh my gosh, they're so ugly. I think that I may be up to something. And to hide my natural hair, I'm just going to put this little ugly thing on like so. So if you want to, you can leave your bun like this, but I don't necessarily like it like that. Alright, so this is the look. It doesn't look this vibrant in person, but the way the light's hitting the hair, it looks a little glossy. I ain't gonna say it's kind of subtle, but it's not this dramatic, y'all, I promise. It doesn't look ratchet or ghetto. Like, you can go out in this. And of course you can change this to a bun or whatnot. I just want to show you how you can use that ugly closure that comes in a bundle for good. Or you can put it in your daughter's hair or your niece's hair or whoever. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're on YouTube, like, comment below. I love to talk to you guys. Or if you're on Facebook, do the same. Like the Facebook page, and we'll be in touch. If you have any questions, feel free just to, let me know. And that's about it. Peace.